Check this out, guys. My longest pulse jet run ever. How's it going, guys? Deadly here. So needless to say, that definitely broke my personal longest runtime for a pulse jet engine. Yeah, this thing's just a basic valveless pulse jet, no diffuser, no nothing like that. I am kind of playing around with diffusers, but for that big long run I just had, no diffuser on the inside, nothing special at all, just methyl hydrate. If anybody has any suggestions for anything to add to this, I know I've seen some guys do like snorkelers and stuff like that. I'm thinking about playing around with next. Yeah, feel free to drop it in the comments and let me know. Anyways, guys, just a short video this week. We'll polish it off with just a few of the other videos I had of this thing running. I think this thing sounds freaking awesome. Sounds like an old diesel tractor or something trying to start up in the winter. Enjoy.